Let's start. The project name is Picture-in-Picture. Let's see the project structure. At the app level, build.gradle file, set up the view binding. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have an image view and a button. In the manifest file, we mention the config changes attribute like this. Then we set the supports picture-in-picture attribute to true. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, this is how we set up the view binding. We have annotated this function with requires API build version Oreo. Because the picture-in-picture functionality is supported in Android Oreo and above versions. First, we set some image in the image view. When the button is clicked, we call the star picture-in-picture function. This is the star picture-in-picture function. This is the on picture-in-picture mode change. This function handles what to do when the picture-in-picture mode is enabled, and when the full screen mode is enabled. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the picture-in-picture functionality in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.